In this lesson, we're going to talk about studying your competition. Let's get started. If you want to be successful in your industry, it's good to check out other businesses in the same industry as yours. You will learn more from these businesses since you're of the same industry. You will discover strategies that work for them or what doesn't. This will save you time in experimenting on what tweets you can post that will catch and attract the attention of your potential customers. Get ideas from their tweets, but do not be a copycat. People will never see you as a brand that is unique, and they will be hesitant to follow you if they learn that you just copy your competition. Improve on their strategy or add something that they don't have. If you're a small or medium business on Twitter, you will definitely have a competition who also promotes their products and services on Twitter. You can use Twitter to spy on your competition since the platform doesn't limit you to view tweets from a user even if they don't follow you, unless these users have set their privacy to only allow people who are following them to view their content. Most businesses want to get discovered by their potential customers, so they will set their profile to public, which is also the default setting. You can easily view your competitors' tweets and look at what strategy they use in winning over their customers. You don't have to follow them. You can even create a private Twitter list that only you can see. People who check out your profile won't see your Twitter list even if they click View Lists on your Twitter profile. Doing this will allow you to view a stream of tweets that only shows you tweets from your competition. Use the search text box to look for tweets that include your competitor's Twitter handle. You'll be able to discover tweets from their customers about what they like and don't like about your competitor. You can also check out their profile, then look for tweets and replies. Browse this section to see how they engage with their customers. You can check out if they're being professional with how they reply to their customers, if these customers are addressing their concerns, or are they getting annoyed with angry customers. If you see people who are not satisfied with their service, then that is the time to send a direct message to this customer and build a rapport with them. Introduce yourself and the reason why you are sending them a message. Ask them if they are experiencing problems with a product or service from your competitor. Then offer your help and tell them what you can do to help them with their problem. Doing this will ease the burden of the customer with your competitor. Since you are offering a better solution to their problem, you will gain their trust. They will also start using and choosing your brand as your business offers better service than the previous one. You can use Twitter's advanced search function to find people who are also interested in topics the same as your expertise or industry. You may check their profile and see who they are following. You might discover that they are also following brands the same as your business. From there, you can take note of who your competitors are and monitor their tweets. As you check their tweet, you can view the content that they retweet and share. If you're just starting to build your brand, studying your competition is your best strategy to increase your followers, attract more customers, and increase your sales. Your competitors might have been a brand that has been operating for decades now. They already know what strategy works for them. You can monitor their tweets to see how they promote their business and share relevant content that their followers like. Now that you know about studying your competition, we can now proceed to the next topic, growing your Twitter followers. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about growing your Twitter followers. Let's get started. People who use Twitter to increase their social media presence care about the number of people they have. When people check out your profile, they will read your bio, check your photo, and also the number of your followers. If you have thousands of followers, your potential audience will see you as a brand that they can trust since there are tons of people who are already following you. It increases your brand's credibility as more and more people follow you on Twitter. People will see that you're an expert in your field of specialty. As they check your tweet, They will learn more about the products that you offer and what makes your business different and stand out from your competitors. Search for people who are also interested in the same industry as your expertise or business. You can use Twitter's advanced search function to find these people. Browse through each profile and check out their tweets. Learn about the person from their tweets. See if they post their tweets or they mostly retweet posts. Study this user if they're one of your potential audience. If they are your target audience, then click on the follow button to follow them. And in return, they will follow you back. Keep on searching for people that you can add so that these people can return the favor by also following you, which adds up to the number of your followers. Your potential followers will check out your profile, so make sure this time your Twitter profile is already optimized with a high-quality profile photo, crafted bio, and you are consistently posting valuable content as tweets. People follow brands on Twitter that they like so that they can be notified of special offers or promotions, stay up to date with the latest products of the brand, check feedback from customers, to get freebies, to be part of an exclusive event, to join contests, and they find the brand's tweet interesting and entertaining. So make sure your tweets are not all self-promoting. You have to post relevant content where your followers will stay interested and entertained with your tweets. Slowly building your Twitter followers is good, since you are attracting the right people to follow you. These people who are now following you are the followers who engage with you. It's better to have quality followers who communicate and engage with you, rather than having millions of followers but only thousands care about your brand, like what you post, and share your posts to their followers. Remember that building your followers will not grow in just one day, 1 week, or 1 month. Most influencers have been growing their social media presence for years now. That is why they do have tons of followers if you check out their social media channels. Be patient and be consistent on what you are doing, and your Twitter account will eventually attract your potential audience.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.